Hi, my name is Timothy Griswold, and we all have used Google Maps to navigate to where we need to go, but do we actually know how it works besides coming from our devices? I would like to take a moment to talk about the Global Positioning System, originally called Navstar. If you didn't have the Google app or any other app that communicates with the Global Positioning System, would you be able to purchase a printed map to find your destination? According to John Keys, Manager Test Automation Engineer for Geotab Incorporated, GPS, or the Global Positioning System, is a global navigation satellite system that provides location, velocity, and time synchronization. The Global Positioning System, originally called Navstar, was originally developed by the United States Air Force for military use and has progressed to what we know it is today and we use in our daily lives as civilians. First, I would like to talk about the marketing of Global Positioning System and what makes it up and what is actually out in the atmosphere that sends us the data we need to navigate around here on the planet's surface. According to GPS.gov, the GPS space segment consists of a constellation of satellites transmitting radio signals to users. The United States is committed to maintaining the availability of at least 24 operational GPS satellites 95% of the time. To ensure this commitment, the Air Force has been flying 31 operational GPS satellites for the past 5 years. According to Keys, GPS is made up from 3 different components called segments that work together to provide location information. The 3 segments of GPS are space satellites, the satellites circling the Earth, transmitting signals to users on geographical position and time of day. Ground control. The control segment is made up of Earth-based monitor stations, master control stations, and ground antenna. User equipment. GPS receives and transmitters, including items like watches, smartphones, and telematic devices. Keys goes on to say each satellite in the network circles the Earth twice a day, and each satellite sends a unique signal, orbital parameters, and time. At any given moment, a GPS device can read the signals from 6 or more satellites. Maintenance needs to be done on old, outdated satellites, which usually result in taking them out of service and replacing them. But GPS also helps us maintain our vehicles. According to GPS Insight, vehicle downtime due to unplanned maintenance is costly for any organization. GPS tracking software provides vehicle data to include usage, mileage, and diagnostic trouble codes. There is also an attempt to replace the entire satellite system with newer versions. According to Lockheed Martin, a new technology emerges, or as the Air Force's mission needs change, Lockheed Martin's unique GPS-3 satellite was designed with a flexible modular architectural to allow for the straightforward, low-risk insertion of new capabilities. Perhaps most important, GPS-3 satellites will be harder to jam, either by accidental transmission or by enemies. This gives military users assured access to GPS when and where it matters most. The bottom line, improved safety, signal integrity, and unbelievable accuracy. There is no doubt the engineers who made all this possible has brought us a long way. The Global Positioning System continues to improve as newer technology develops. GPS has dramatically changed our lives in regard to the speed and accuracy we are able to get to places we need to go. But remember to try to keep your battery on your device charged, because you probably wouldn't want to lose your battery halfway to your destination.